guys, welcome back to Rollers Return. This is it, the time has finally come. I'm going to test out that Grindbox there and test out the Rollers Return wax as well on this video. It's going to be a quick hitter, going to get straight into it, so hope you enjoy. So that's going to have to do because I've got to get the girls to bed and because it's the end of the day. Wax actually worked pretty well, so taking a small groove out of the wax so far on here. This coating is super sticky out of the box, so definitely need a bit of a wax. Hopefully Chris Edwards is happy with that for his Mizus for Ray challenge. There were plenty of awful Mizus in there that were terrible, so but everything is progress, right? So I'm gonna go and get the girls to bed, get this video edited, get it up, because it's just a quick hitter, and we'll have a park session for you guys later this weekend. Hopefully you won't be too mean in the comments at how basic some of these terrible Mizus were, but any advice, any pointers that you guys have got, make sure that you hit up in the comments below. Yeah, and for those of you that have bought the Rollers Return wax, I know there's a few of you now, there will be some more batches being produced soon. We've got some other sizes and shapes as well. This is just a test block, but it seems to work pretty well, so we're looking forward to getting your guys' feedback on that, and yeah, we'll have some more videos soon. Shout out to the guys at SB Ramps once again. This Grindbox is definitely going to help me get better. I feel like I got a little bit better on that session just then, just getting a bit more confidence. It's not massively high and not massively long, but it's good enough for practicing at home and having a quick session after work while the sun is still up. Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time on Rollers Return. Peace.